welcome back. It's nominated for 8 Academy Awards, including Best Actor and Best Picture. And today, the star of Silver Linings Playbook, Bradley Cooper, visited our nation's capital.
It was all to raise awareness about a condition which his character suffers from, mental illness. WENY TV Washington correspondent Ted Fiorelliso was there. He's got the story.
You have to have a strategy. I hate my illness and I want to control it.
In the movie Silver Linings Playbook, actor Bradley Cooper plays a man with bipolar disorder.
You have poor social skills. You have a problem.
I have a problem? You say more inappropriate things than appropriate things.
I got to experience what those who suffer from mental illness experience by playing this character.
And now Cooper wants to raise awareness. On Friday, he participated in a panel discussion at the Center for American Progress, alongside former Congressman Patrick Kennedy, who himself suffers from bipolar disorder, and Michigan Senator Debbie Stabenow, whose dad had the disease.
I bet I could go to each person in this room, and somebody would have a story about a family member or a friend, or possibly yourself.
Stabenow authored an amendment in the Affordable Care Act, which requires insurance companies to cover mental health cases the same way they cover physical health.
You're very comfortable talking about heart disease and what should be done and so on, kidneys, but when it's the organ of the brain, and there's a chemical imbalance, which is what this is, that needs some medication and some support and therapy and so on, we have a very different reaction.
Stabenow and Cooper say there has to be a shift in the culture too, and they credit the movie for starting the conversation.
I think that there's a new silver lining for people with mental illness, and it's this movie.
If everybody else, puts the time in to understand, they can start to take action. And next thing you know, we could have policy, and then real change can occur.
Bradley Cooper continues to raise awareness with his movie. He held a screening for veterans at the Walter Reed Medical Center last night. Meanwhile, Senator Stabenow is working on a bill that would expand mental health access at federal health centers. In Washington, I'm Ted Fiorelliso.